Right. So, good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to RPA Vault UiPath Trainings. How are you doing, everyone? Basant, Sudhir, Gautam, Kusuma, Samata, Sundar, Sunil. Hey, Samata, you didn't join, no, yesterday, Samata?
Hi, sir. हाँ जी, हाँ sir. I have exam yesterday, so
Okay,
I didn't join. I have listened your first demo in uh,
recording, huh?
August batch only.
Okay. Any new joiners who joined today? First class, Basant? Basant is you joined for the first time? First time? Pravalika joined, Sundar joined. Hey, Sunil.
Yeah, hi Raghav. This is my first class.
First class. Okay, fine. Okay, so let me recap what we have discussed in the yesterday first free demo session of our RPA Vault trainings, and then we'll start. Let me share my screen. So Sunil, please ping me after the session so that I'll add you in the group and I'll share the meeting recorded link of yesterday's session. Okay, right.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, guys. So let's have a recap of couple of minutes and then we'll start the session. So first of all, why we all are here? To learn and understand the concept called what is RPA, why everybody is talking about RPA, why it is booming and trending technology in the market now, how and why the companies are paying this much of salaries, and what is the future scope of this RPA. If I learn this tool, if I get this job, how do I need to survive? And what will be the package you will get? Right? So many W based questions. I have so much of career back. Can I able to get it into this or not? Right? I am from non-technical background. Can I able to learn this tool or not? I am very much scared of writing lines and lines of code. Am I eligible to learn this tool or not? So when this came tool into the picture, what are the different other tools? Like that, so many, doubts may have you in all. So, so I'll try to explain you all each and every point, I'll try to clear your questions. And if any doubts you have, please feel free to unmute and you can ask any question. Okay. So again, many people joined now. Let me recap. Okay. So guys, first of all, what is this RPA full form? Robotic Process Automation, which is nothing but, first of all, why, when it came into this picture, why we have this RPA, when it came into the market. So, if you know, there are like, as I have mentioned yesterday, there are like so many manual processes, we used to do in even in our day-to-day life also, at the same time in software industry also. It's not like we need to implement this only in IT industry. Even you can implement this in your day-to-day life also. If you're doing some repetitive task, for example, you want to track your, child school details and progress details, and if you want to mark some attendance daily task, or if you want to transfer some money, anything, if you want to check something review in Google every day, or you want to check some emails every day in your day-to-day life, or if you want to send some birthday wishes from your Facebook to all your friends every day, these all are like repetitive tasks only, no? You want to say some good morning to all your friends every day from WhatsApp. You want to make some calls every day. So all these things, you can able to implement using this RPA, guys. Okay. So first of all, RPA robot means it is not a physical robot. It's just a software. Okay. It's just a piece of code. It's just a line of code. With that line of code, we are going to install this line of code, piece of code in our machine. Okay. It is not a physical robot, guys, which we cannot see this robot, which we cannot touch that robot, which we cannot feel it. It's just a software where we are going to install in our machines. Okay. And what is the meaning of process? Process means some set of rules, set of instructions. And what is the meaning of automation, guys? Automation we know from long time. But why this automation became very successful? Because here it doesn't have any limitations, guys. It can automate like anything. It can integrate with any application, irrespective of industry, irrespective of application, irrespective of automation. Whatever you want to do, it can do. That's why it became very, very, very much popular. Okay. So guys, it came into the market, UiPath W based questions. Okay. So it came into the market in 2005. Okay. And it became popular from 2017, which means it took almost 12 years for the CEO to make it, successful tool. He waited for 12 years, guys, to make it successful. So who is the CEO, guys? Did anyone know who is the CEO of UiPath? Hmm? Right. No worries. I'll tell you. CEO of UiPath is Daniel Tains. He is a Romanian, guys. He is from Bucharest. Now the headquarters is in USA and he is in top Forbes list now and the top trending tool, and the headquarters is in USA, and in India the headquarters is in Bangalore. Okay. Every year we have a developers conference in Bangalore, and along with that in-person community days in Hyderabad also. Every state they have like community teams. They will conduct so many sessions. And in Bangalore session, he used to come and attend so that you guys can even meet him also. Okay, right. So I got opportunity to meet him 2 times. Right. Right. So with the help of this automation, with the help of this robot, we are going to mimic the user actions. What kind of actions? Repetitive tasks, repetitive actions. Whatever the human beings are doing every day, the same job, same task. Nowadays, we are replacing those human beings with the help of robots because we don't need them nowadays. We have trained those set of instructions, whoever is doing by the human beings. We can just replace those tasks. We can train those job tasks with the help of a robot so that our robot only can keep on, doing the same job so that we don't need such kind of human beings nowadays. Okay. Right. And what we have discussed, guys, there are like so many tools are there in this RPA. RPA is just a definition, guys. We are not going to learn anything in RPA. Okay. In RPA, we have 50 plus tools are available in the market. In that one, some of the tools I have mentioned here, the topmost trending tool is UiPath. That is what we are going to learn for the coming 45 days. Along with that, nowadays, the competitive tool for UiPath is Power Automation Cloud and Desktop. So Microsoft Power Automation is one of the trending and booming and most competitive tool for UiPath. That's why we are going to learn these three tools together at same cost, same duration. Okay. In market, nobody will tell you both together. But why I am telling you all? Because nowadays, if you learn only your path and if you're attending interview, you may not able to get the job because and you may not able to survive and you may not able to even schedule the calls also because they're expecting along with your path what else because now almost it's 7 to 8 years of experience right now, so everybody knows nowadays. Everybody is like very technically professional. So in interview they're asking you other than your path what else so that's why we are teaching both together, guys. Okay. And some of the tools are automation anywhere, Blue Prism, Kofax, Remelia, Antworks and all. But but we don't have like that much of demand now because there are like no jobs and there is UiPath is like ruling because of the innovations, security, compliance, customer flexibility, this UiPath community forum, and it's an open source application. Based on all these observations, now UiPath is trending like anything. Okay, and let me show you some of the tools. Okay, other tools as well. Is my screen visible, everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, so see here, guys. The base core RPA capabilities for these tools like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Work Fusion, Chiron. Okay, and some business process management tools are there. There we have Bean, Formed, and Pega, and some front office robot desks are there. Those are nice, variant, connotate, excellent, and some uh, sourcing decisions like some of other tools are there. Some ERP tools are there, Redwood, Kappa, and some productivity tools are there, Softomotive like this. Even nowadays, companies are creating their own RPA tool also. Okay, but for all of these, the base core RPA capabilities have one and only technology tool, which is like UiPath, which is trending now. Okay, right. So, and this is, guys, all these tools are professional certified tools. We have to start the certification also from today itself. Let's do some certification as well. And another most advantage is that of this tool is it is a free of cost tool. Anyone can download and learn this tool for free of cost. Okay, so in terms of certification, are you all interested to do certification, which is which is eligible and free and is recommended for all the people who are looking for the job on RPA, guys? Because nobody will tell you in the market to do the certification concept nowadays. If you attend the interview, you guys will understand that how much of important. All the recruiters are asking you, have you done any certification on your path? It's not like a paid one recommended. It's a free of cost only. Okay, because paid one is little bit high of the cost. As of now, even you don't have the job, and if I'm asking you to pay at 31,000 for certification, it won't be good, right? So first, let's do some free certification, and you can put down in your resume so that your resume weightage will get increased. Selection of chances will be high. Okay, so so how many of you want to do? Please respond. Unmute and respond, guys. Tirupati, Sunil, Sundar, Pravalika,
Yes. Me too, sir.
Basant. Right. So, guys, we have a website called academy.yoapath.com. And yesterday I have told please go through this website today. Anyone gone through this website, guys, yesterday? Okay. So, see here, guys. This is my login, okay, application. and see here how many certifications I have completed so far. Okay, this is my academy. If you go to the achievements, you can go through all the certifications what you have completed so far. I told you, no, I have completed more than 45 plus. So if you observe this one, I have completed in the year 2017, 8 years before. Okay, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 18, 2018, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21. 24, 24, 25. Recently also 25. In this month only I have completed these many certifications in UiPath. Okay. And these are the free and academy certifications. Along with that, even I have done paid certifications as well. Okay. Right. Total 58 plus courses I have completed and almost 25 to 30 plus free certifications and along with some paid certifications as well. Okay. So how to start this one? Which one is recommended nowadays? So once please enter academy.uipath.com. Okay. Academy.uipath.com. So why we need this website, guys? Academy.uipath.com to become certified professionals. Okay, to become certified professionals. So once you go through this login and then here you have a concept called learning plans. Please click on learning plans and then please choose English so that you will have total 40 results will be there, 40. In that one, um, first one is recommended is we have a certification for 1 hour, guys. Let's do this today. Okay, everybody. Right. Automation starter. Automation starter. Okay. So if you just go and click on this automation starter, just click on this learning plan structure. Learning plan structure. In this one, you no need to do all this. Okay. Just go and complete this first 1 hour of lesson today. Okay. Introduction to automation. And if you once completed, you will get one certification. And that certification you can able to put down in your resume. Got it? It is recommended and mandatory that introduction to automation certification for every developer. Okay. Can I expect everyone to complete this by tomorrow? Whoever wants to join and continue the sessions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So guys, please try to unmute and respond because my sessions are little bit different, guys. Because now if I explain the roles and responsibilities, you guys will understand that you guys also should talk. You should speak. You should start now, unmute and respond. Here, nobody knows anyone. You all are independent, right? Nirmala doesn't know who is Samata. Samata doesn't know who is Kusuma. Kusuma doesn't know, right? So nobody knows you. Even though if you're feeling very shy, even if you're not good at English, no problem. Just unmute and even you can speak in your own language also. I can able to understand. But you should start speak. You should remove that barriers because already career gap done. Already wasted so much of time. Now it's time to settle down in your careers with good package. I am here to help you, to suggest you, to guide you, to train you, to prepare you, to take the mock interview, to settle down in your career. Okay. So attending the session every day without fail. Guys, if you keep on failing the sessions, attending the sessions irregularly, then no one can help you guys. Because even when I'm not able to complete all the topics, in the 45 days of duration, because every day they are coming up with some innovations. So each and every day is separate and independent. If you don't join the session today, then you may not understand the session tomorrow. Okay, so attending the session is mandatory. Please plan your complete 45 days of learning plan structure from today, and no vacations, no movie, no excursions, nothing, only your path. Waking up in the morning and recap all the topics what we have discussed, and ready for the session. Every day in the morning session, we will recap what we have discussed yesterday for 5 to 10 minutes of time, and even we'll have some Q&A session also. From the day one itself, I'll train you all in terms of real-time environment, that how when you are attending your path interviews, what will be the kind of questions they will ask you, so that whatever the topic we are discussing every day, in the topic what will be the interview questions, I will ask those questions at every day starting of the session, so that you guys will be kind of an habituated to start unmute speaking, and you will try to respond those answers, and it will be easy for all of you at the time of attending the interview. Okay, so it really worked, guys, for so many people. I received this feedback from many. Everybody said the same. Raghu, it was really helped us to attend the interview when you are asking the questions every day. Right. So attending the session and completing the certifications every day. Okay. So guys, after this RPA started training, okay, RPA started training, we have to go for the next certification. Which one we have to do and all, I'll explain in tomorrow's session. Okay. For the once confirmed candidates, paid candidates, I'll explain what is the next one and recommended one to start. Okay. So if you see, I just put down in my resume. Okay. Right. So guys, see here, this is my resume. Okay. Venkat Kofor's Raghava working in Coforge as a technical lead, and even I'm a certified trainer, guys, as I have told you, right? Overall 11 plus years experience, worked with different industries. Okay, these all are my different like my profile summary, and this is my work experience. Capgemini, KPIT, Infosys, Signity, Birlasoft, and now Coforge. And it's my LinkedIn profile, and these are all the technical skills which I have covered so far. Opportunity came, to work on those so far, and these are all my achievements. Trained 17,000 college students, and individual trainings, corporate trainings, and these are the certifications. See, starter. Did I mention or not, guys? Awareness, business analyst, SAP, developer foundation diploma, developer certificate, developer advanced. Okay, license management. Along with this UiPath, guys, even I am certified into Automation Anywhere and Pega OpenSpan and Microsoft PL certifications as well. Right. So, and these are all the different projects. Okay. So it's very mandatory and basic to complete certifications and to mention in the resume. Okay. And even yesterday I have completed one more certification, which is Academy Foundation. Yesterday only I have completed that agentic automation associate exam also. So I have received the scorecard agentic. Right. Date yesterday is 24th September. I have completed Agentic Associate Automation certification as well. Okay. Within couple of days, I'll receive the official certification. This is a scorecard. So that's how very, very important to complete each and every certification, guys. It's recommended and mandatory because you can learn something when you are trying to do some certifications from the website academy because they'll teach you some best practices. So parallelly, because nowadays many people are asking, "Hey Raghu, I'm learning, I'm going to train you, I'm going to take the training from you. Can you provide me any certification?" So, what will be the use, guys, if I provide you certification? If you put down in your resume also, nobody will recognize it, right? Instead of that, if you do certification from academy, that will be recommended, right? That's why parallelly attending the classes and doing the certifications every day, minimum spending 1.5 to 2 hours of time. Guys, the next certificate, which will take around almost 85 to 90 hours of time. So now if you start spending 2 hours per day from today, by end of our course, which means 45 days, you guys can able to complete the full certification. Understood? So don't postpone today's item for tomorrow. It will be burden. If you don't spend 2 hours today, tomorrow you should spend 4 hours, guys. It's not a small thing. And along with that, every day I have told yesterday that I am going to create the teams. For example, today we have joined total 20 people. Out of this 20, I'll create 5 different teams, each and every team having 4 members, and every team I will assign one team lead after 1 week of time, so that you guys can connect together, can practice, can discuss internally, 5 of you, and every week I will change the team leads also, so that everybody will get opportunity. So if somebody is there for you, see, even your path you can learn for free of cost, and even you can learn at YouTube by watching videos. But why people are joining the sessions? If you start opening YouTube and started learning from academy, your friend will share some reel to you. Then your mind will deviate it. Nobody is there to ask you, no pressure, nothing. But when you have paid trainings, first of all, you will get some commitment. Waking up in the morning, you have to attend the session because you paid the money. You have to attend the session, and even you have the right to ask some questions while you are doing the practice. You will get some commitment and dedication, guys, right? First of all. So the coming 45 days is your plan. Create some plan and put some goal. By 45 days, I'll complete the training. By 60 days, I want to get the job, settle down in the career. I want to become independent in my family. I want to take care of my family. I need to get job with good package. For that, what we should do? Without without attending interview, you will get the job? No. Without technical concept, you will get the job? No. All this is a cyclic process, guys. Nowadays, you can get the job like anything. But how about the technical concept? How you will crack interview? First, you should learn, right? Even you can go through the back door or you can go through some proxy. But once you join in the company, guys, believe me, from the first day one itself, they will assign you the task. Then how you can do the task, guys, without having the technical subject? Yes, right. Okay, so please do RPA Vault starter training certification today. Okay. If you guys not able to hear me, please let me know immediately. Okay, someone is muting me. Kumar, please look into this. Right. Okay, so what are the different advantages, guys, as I have told you yesterday? First of all, cost cutting. All the companies are nowadays looking to implement this automation because huge cost cutting. They can save money because the same task was doing by 10 people. Now we can replace those 10 people with one robot, right? And they can save huge money. No errors, no mistakes, 100% results you can expect when robot is doing the task. And the most over important, which is increasing the productivity. The same job doing by 8 to 9 hours, now it is replacing by 1 hour. Then what company can do? They will assign you some another task, right? So that productivity will get increased. The works will go very fast, right? That's the reason. And even we have some disadvantages also. No human dependency, no decision making, no human intervention, no update should be there. Data should be very high. Should be so much of volume of the tickets, all these things, right? And what are the different industries nowadays implementing these guys? Banking, retail, insurance, telecom, logistics, HR. So many industries nowadays implementing all this. Okay. So after you join in the company, maybe you will get the client from logistics company, or you might get the client from healthcare, or you might get the client from insurance domain, anything. And you might get the project on desktop automation or database connectivity or ServiceNow integration or Excel automation, anything you might get. Okay. Right. And RPA versus testing tools, what we have discussed yesterday, that it is not at all a testing tool. It is a drag and drop automation development tool. We are not going to do any testing in these tools. Okay. And yesterday I have told you to go through this website to just go through like what exactly this RPA UiPath and what we can do, what we can learn, and why it is free of cost. What are the different success stories of the company, right? All those I have mentioned yesterday. I don't know how many of you gone through this website yesterday. If no, at least try to go through this website, guys, today. Okay, so that you can learn something, success stories, different applications, innovations, everything from the product side. Right. Now, the most important that what will be your roles and responsibilities. Hey Raghu, after we join in the company, we don't know what we should do. We want to know that eagerly what companies can expect from us, what we have to do from the day one. We are going with some experience of non-IT to IT. We were kickstarting career. No. So what will happen generally in after joining in the company? Why they are paying high salaries? Two questions. Why they are paying you high salary and what will be your roles and responsibilities as a RPA consultant? Okay, let's discuss this. Please put your mobile phones in silent mode. Concentrate on the session. Listen, understand, and take your decision whether you want to continue the sessions or not from tomorrow. Guys, from tomorrow, actual paid sessions will start. So actual sessions will be start from morning at 7:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. Okay. If you don't have a laptop, please arrange the laptop first of all. Laptop is hey Raghu, can I attend the sessions from mobile? Can I install UiPath in mobile phone? No. Laptop is very basic and important asset for the beginners, learners to kickstart your career in software industry. You want software job, but if you don't have laptop means nobody can help you, right? So you should have proper laptop. It should be in proper condition and your audio and video also should be working fine. If I ask any question in the session, you should have to unmute and respond, guys. Okay, then only I can help you. So please arrange all these things as soon as possible. Okay. Yes, Nirmala, please. You raised your hand. Any question, Nirmala? Right. If any question, please unmute and respond. Okay.
Yes,
Right, guys.
actually, what is
Hmm.
the difference between BPA and RPA? They say BPA, right? Business Process Automation. Is there a different set of tools, or they are say mentioning meaning the same?
So business process automation is different, guys. You know, BPM,
Okay.
BPO, KPA tools, different call centers, support jobs. What they will do, business process outsourcing, business process management tools. What they will, it's a kind of a support, non-voice. So that automation is different. RPA automation is different. Okay.
Okay, okay.
With this
Okay,
help
thanks.
of RPA, what we are doing is we are going to automate the processes which are repetitive, which are manual repetitive task. End to end, the flow is structured, everything enabled, test data is available, test environment is available, everything is done available. Then only we can able to automate such kind of processes. That's why RPA came into the picture. Okay, right. So first of all, guys, what will be your roles and responsibilities after you join in a company? What you have to do? Okay, so let's discuss about this. So before that, right. So myself, Raghava. Okay. For example, I have 7+ years of work experience as a Java developer. Okay. And my designation is senior software engineer. Senior software engineer. And I am working in the company called, for example, Wipro. Okay. From last 7 years, I am working in Wipro. And I am working for the client called Johnson and Johnson. Or you can say it's not fair. Someone is keep on muting me. Okay, so what are the other companies owned by Meta? Can anyone tell me? Guys, come on, please respond, guys. You able to hear me, everyone? I'm asking very basic question.
Yeah, yes, Raghav.
WhatsApp,
WhatsApp,
Facebook.
Facebook, and Instagram and all, right? So Sudhir, you unmute and respond. What is the use in keeping on mute and respond, right? Okay, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram and all. Okay, now I am working for the client called WhatsApp. My Wipro is my payroll company. Okay, it's my payroll company. I'm working inside Wipro, but Wipro is a consulting company, right? In after you join in Wipro, again you have to work for some another client. Correct? For example, that client is WhatsApp. Okay, I'm working for Meta and I'm working for the product called WhatsApp. So as a developer, as a software engineer, as a Java developer, client will give me, they will follow some structure. Okay, which is SDLC. What is full form of SDLC, guys? SDLC full form
Software, software license, development license.
to development life cycle. Okay. So what are the different models available in IT industry? For example, in IT industry, if you want to develop some application or software, definitely if there is some deadlines, you will work very fast. If you don't have any deadlines, then nobody will work. They'll just do some time pass. You want to construct some building, guys. You have given the contract to some builder. If you don't put some deadline, then what they will do? Every day they're getting money and they'll keep on doing some time pass. If you don't have any pressure, nobody is asking you, then you don't prepare the subject on your own. But if you have some time, 45 days, and you have to pay something, then you will get some seriousness. Every day somebody is asking you. By end of the day, your team lead will ask you, hey Kusma, hey Nirmala, hey Ramesh, what you have done today? Please share me. I need to post in group as a lead, as your team lead. Raghu is asking me, what is your team progress? Have you completed the tasks or not? Okay. So we will follow SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle in IT industry for the better results. So we have two different models, guys. One is waterfall model, hmm, waterfall model, and then agile model. Durga. Waterfall model and agile model, guys. Okay. So what is this waterfall model, guys? Yes, Sudhir, you have any question? You are not audible, Sudhir. Please check your mic. Okay. Okay. So guys, what is this waterfall model? What is this agile model? Waterfall model is a previous and failure model, guys. Why? Because right, previously we have some kind of a old mobile keypad mobile phones, old video games, old TVs. What is the drawback of the keypad mobile phone, guys? Once if you purchase it, the product, what is the drawback? You cannot update it. You just need to use and throw after 2 to 3 years of time. The lifespan is very less. But when you go through this, of course, there is a good one. Before this agile methodology, everybody came up with. Is anyone removing you all, guys? Did anyone? People are leaving, joining. Facing any issues? Anyone?
No, we were automatically kicked out. I had to rejoin.
Why it is happening? Kumar, are you there? Kumar, please respond. Kumar. Hello. Hello, Kumar.
Is there any timing set, like only 40-minute meeting or
Yes.
something
No,
like that?
no, no, not like that. Kumar,
Yeah,
look into
yeah.
this, Kumar.
Yes, yes.
Someone is keeping on me mute and they're removing the people. People are facing
You're
some
facing
issues.
some.
Look into that.
Look into that. Yeah, yeah. Let me look into it.
Right.
Right.
Guys, this is a free session. Don't do such kind of disturbances. You don't get anything until unless you will have some kick. But if you want to have some kick, do some other activities. Okay. This is not a place wherein you need to get such kind of enjoyment. Okay. Might be you are enjoying now. Okay. Right. Okay. So guys, this waterfall model is the previous model we used to develop and use and implement in IT industry to develop some applications. But the drawback of that waterfall model is that once the product is in live, you cannot update it. You cannot update it. But nowadays, what is happening? Each and every mobile application, every electronic gadget, everything, what is happening from the background? Adding new features. You keep on updating. Adding new features to the application, you are keep on updating, right? If you observe the WhatsApp application in the starting time, what you don't have like these many options and features, right? But nowadays they are keep on updating. Are you guys uninstalling and installing the application again? No. Application is the same. Application will be the same, but automatically the product will be update from the backend so that new features will adding to the existing application. That's why agile methodology is a successful methodology. Nowadays, everybody is following agile methodology in the IT industry. Okay. Now, now we are also going to develop some new feature in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Hi, Raghu, you are on mute.
That's what someone is doing this.
Can you see who is doing this? Let me kick him out. I'm not able to see.
See, so many people are leaving now. Samata, automatically they are getting disconnected.
No, yes, sir. Someone had removed me.
Can you see that? Who is that doing that?
No, 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 I can't.
Kumar, can you able to check the log? If is it possible?
We can't see who that is in the log.
Hmm. Something is suspicious.
I'm not sure what's happening.
Hmm. The message you removed when it happens, but it doesn't identify the person. Thing is recorded. If attendance reports are enabled, you can still view who was in the meeting at the time, but not who clicked remove. But if we really want to investigate, meeting organizer IT admin, meeting organizer teams can look into the audit logs in Office 365 compliance. Kumar, just look into this. Go through this as you are a organizer and admin. Just
Yeah.
go through these three compliance center and go through the audit logs. Can show such user X removed, user Y from the meeting. Auditing is
Okay.
enabled for your organization. You need to request this information through your IT. Right. We'll talk about that person.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right. Yeah. Thank you. Right, guys. Let's continue. No problem. Nothing to happen. Nobody can stop us. Okay. These are like some kind of a negative, negative energies, guys. We need to overcome all these challenges in our careers, in our life. It's a very common, simple thing. Okay. Right. So even Mark also gave the requirement that, hey Raghuvan team, please develop this new feature in our application. I'm giving you 30 days of time. So what is the project duration, guys? 30 days. And what is the requirement, guys? We have to develop what's a payment option. Okay, payment option. I'm trying to explain you all the differences between software consultants to software engineers to RPA consultants, and what will be your roles and responsibilities after you joining in the company, and what I am expecting from you all in the coming days, and what you guys can expect from me. Okay, this is what I'm trying to explain you all here. Why I'm telling all this non-technical related to the UiPath to make it understand beautifully. Okay, so what is the team size, guys? In our team total, 50 members are there. 50 members of team we have. So our requirement is clear. I am working for the client called WhatsApp, and the requirement is we need to develop the payment option. We have 30 days of time. Our team size is 50 members. So first of all, we have a Scrum Master. As we are following Agile methodology, we have a Scrum Master. What this guy do? He will schedule a meetings every day, and he will look into the project. Everything is going as per the alignment or not. Every day scheduling the calls. Every day morning one call. Your friends will tell you, no, whoever is working, hey, I'm joining my status daily stand-up call. Please wait. What is the meaning of daily stand-up, daily catch-up call? In that call, all these 50 members will join, and they will discuss what they are going to do today, what they have done yesterday. Are they able to complete this project in the actual timeline or not? If they are facing any issue, how we need to resolve that issue. If they are facing any issue, how we need to resolve that issue. If they are facing any issue, how we need to resolve that issue. If they are facing any issue, how we need to resolve that issue. Okay. Kumar, let's do one thing. that even someone removed me as well. So Kumar, let's do one thing. What you can do, remove all like access any option for all the attendees. If you give privileged
Yeah,
access
actually,
to all, then it will be a problem. They're doing like anything. Okay.
uh, yes, Raghu. Actually, there is very limited options for participants, but I think someone has some extra admin access which they are
Hmm.
able to remove because participants cannot remove others.
Okay. So only yourself, you and myself only, have the access admin.
That's true, but also uh, teams have some special access for people from other organizations.
Mm-hmm.
So
Oh, okay. Did anyone have
uh,
access to remove meeting from meeting? Did you have anyone enable this option? Do you have Pravalika, Sunil, Saitej?
Sai Gautam, have you joined from mobile?
Yeah, I joined from mobile.
Uh, no, sir. I was using laptop.
Okay,
Yeah,
external.
no, no, Raghav, I don't have any access like that.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not sure. Let me fix it by next session. You can
Okay,
continue for now.
okay. Please monitor Kumar if I am on mute.
Okay.
Right. So guys, we have Scrum Master and we have Solution Architect. Okay. We have Business Analyst in our team. We have Delivery Manager, Project Delivery Manager. We have Reporting Manager. Okay. We have leads. We have developers. We have testers. We have monitoring support team. And we have change request team. So we have one Scrum Master. We have three solution architects in our project. We have four business analysts. We have one delivery manager, two reporting managers, four leads, 20 developers. Okay, so 10 testers and two change request team. And for example, 10 support people. So all these 50 members together working and they're going to develop something new which is not existing. As of now, there is no option, no payment option in WhatsApp. These guys developed this option. These guys developed this option. Okay. That's why we're calling as a software engineers. Software engineers. Now let's discuss about what this Scrum Master do guys every day. Scheduling the calls, meetings, attending and everything. What solution architect do generally? He will prepare the high level solution. The solution high level architect will suggest you what are all the different tools and technologies we need to use to implement this payment option. What business analysts do guys, they'll take care of requirement gathering and documentation, and they will play as a mediator between the developers and for the client. Okay, so they will have the knowledge on the complete process and they will help you in case if you guys facing any issues in terms of the business side. Okay, and we have even delivery manager and reporting manager as well. So reporting managers every day, all the developers leads, we have to report to the manager that what is going in the project. And delivery manager will deliver the project that to the client on a high level officially. And whatever the documents prepared by the business analyst, based on this documentation approved document, developers will do the development and leads will assign those tasks, right? So if you observe all these people and the testers will test that application, whoever is developed by the developers. So if you observe all these working together for 30 days of time to develop some new feature in WhatsApp, which is not existed. That's why they're calling as a software engineers. Now let's discuss about RPA consultants. RPA consultants. Now again, same example.
Screen is not visible.
Not visible.
Yes,
Let me reshare, please. There's no problem if you are facing any issues. I'll share the meeting recording link of the previous demo. You can just please go through that. Right. Okay. Okay. So guys, I do have experience of, for example, 10 plus years. I'm a RPA consultant. Okay. I'm a RPA consultant. And I am working in the company called, for example, IBM. I have 10 years of experience and I am working for the client called Johnson and Johnson. Okay. So IBM is my payroll and my client I am working for Johnson and Johnson. You know, right? Johnson and Johnson, what type of company, guys? It's a baby born manufacturing company. It's a product company. They'll manufacture the products for the born babies, right? It's a very big company, very sensitive company, right? Now, in this Johnson and Johnson, for example, they have they have 100 manual processes. They have 100 manual processes. These 100 manual processes are doing by 100 members of team. Total 100 members of team is there. Right. Now they heard about this automation. They want to implement this automation in their organization in Johnson and Johnson. Because that people 100 members are doing the same repetitive task from last 15 years. Now even they came to know that RPA bots are there, they can replace these 100 members with 1 to 2 robots. Then what we have to do, what they have to do, they should hire one RPA consultant, RPA developer, right? To replace those people and to design this automation flow, to automate this all the manual processes, right? Then Johnson and Johnson, interacted with IBM and they gave the requirement, hey IBM, we need a technical candidate who going to automate our processes. We have so many manual processes in manufacturing, in payroll, in user creation, user deletion, transport management, material management. In all these in our company, there are like more than 100 processes are there. I want you to all to automate. Then what IBM do now? IBM will will hire a consultant. So who will come into the picture now? Myself. So Raghava, they hired me. So Raghava RPA consultant and my client, my manager will introduce, IBM manager will introduce to Johnson and Johnson manager. For example, my manager name is Rahul. Okay, Rahul RPA manager and Rohit is Johnson and Johnson client manager. Okay. So first of all, on a high level, discussion will happen. And then my manager will introduce me to the client manager. So in that call, myself, Rahul and Rohit will be there. So Rahul will introduce, hi Rohit. So from our team, we have a consultant who is technically strong. So Raghava can help your team to build this automation flow so that he can help you in automating all your manual processes. Okay. Then what will happen from next day? Then Rohit said, okay. Hi Raghava, welcome to Johnson and Johnson. So please help me in automating all these tasks. From tomorrow, our team will explain you the first manual process. So Rohit and the team, we calling as an SMEs guys. SMEs means they were subject matter expert because they're attending, they're working in the same client from long time. They know each and every process end to end because working on the same product application from 15 years. So it's very easy. It's a piece of cake for them. Okay. Now they have started explaining me the manual process. Okay. Rohit and team explaining the first manual process to Raghava. Okay. This is what will happen in the real time, guys. Please listen. Okay. Now, what Raghava should do, I have to first of all record the steps. I need to record the steps, whatever they're explaining, because that guy, whoever is explaining to me, that guy knows about the process very well, but I don't know that. I am first time listening, but that guy is having 15 years experience. So, you know, everything he'll try to explain in a very shortcut. It's a very lengthy process. How do I remember each and every step? I cannot keep on asking me, right? Because I am from India, he is from US. Timing zone is different. He may not available when I am available. When I am not available, he is available. Better go through the recording, go through the recording, and then go through the recording and then understand the business process. Check the feasibility. Whether can we do this process automation or not. When you will check the feasibility, when you have understanding the business process, when you will understand business process, when you go through the business process couple of more times. If you have the recording with you, you will go through couple of more times and you will have understood, right? So record the steps, understand the business process, and check the feasibility, whether can we do this process automation or not. Is this really correct right candidature or not for the business process? Okay. And then, for example, I've checked and the process is good. We can able to automate. Then what we have to do, guys? We have to do documentation. So I'm going to develop some, prepare some documentation. What kind of documentation? BRD, PDD, SDD, cutover plan, exception handling document, okay, case study, process flow document. So many documents will be there. So I am going to prepare because I only know the process. I need to mention each and every process, whatever explained by Rohit and team. I need to put all those steps in the document and I should get approvals from them. Before doing the development, I should get approval. Hey Rohit, so I understand the business process. Your team explained me. Thank you. Now, if you want me to develop, first please give me the approvals that what I am going to automate. I have mentioned each and every step in the document. Okay, so they are explained. So whatever the automation manual process is there and what I'm going to perform, each and every step I have mentioned in the document. So please help me in providing the approvals so that we both will be on the same page. And then if you approve, then I'll go for the development. Okay. So I have prepared the documentation and I got the approvals as well for the documentation. And then what I'm going to do, development. Okay. Because I only should do the development because I only know the process, what to do, right? So client gave me all the required infra setup and I have completed the development and then testing. Even I have to do testing myself. Okay, unit testing and QA testing. Once testing completed, after getting the sign of approvals for testing, I will deploy the bots into production, which means go live. Which means go live. go live. And then once go live done, I need to monitor the process sometime, whether the robot is, successfully doing the automations or not. Is it able to handle the exceptions or not, business and system? Okay. And once monitoring completed, even if any change requests also comes up in future, even I will take care of developing the, creating the CRs and doing the enhancements also on the process. Okay. Now understood guys, what will be the roles and responsibilities differences between software engineer to RPA consultant? Janu vaadele బయటికి చూడు. Okay, you guys understood guys, everyone? Differences between,
Yes.
what is the difference you have identified? Can anyone help me in explaining what I am trying to explain you all?
What are the roles and different types of documents will be there that will be developed by developer, and how we will be taking the requirement from the business?
Good.
Mm.
So guys, now whatever I am telling you, whatever I explained, this is not the same scenario in all the companies. Okay. If you joined as an independent contributor, then it will be your roles and responsibilities. Okay, for example, if you observe here in software engineering, what is happening? Application as of now, that option is not there. Now these guys together completed and designed and developed and created and delivered that new option feature. It's a hard work of 50 members. Now here consultant, what we are doing, consultant, no team, nothing. You are the only guy working with the client from scratch to end and understanding the business process, checking the feasibility, preparing the documentation, doing the development testing. You are doing everything yourself because you are not going to develop something new. Already application is there on live. You just need to automate those steps with the help of these robots, right? That's the reason either you join as an independent contributor, wherein you have to take care of all these roles and responsibilities, or else if you joined as a team member, then you need to take care only on development part, because in your team, if you have the business analyst in your RPA team, then they will take care of documentation, requirement gathering, everything. Once they got the approvals of the document, they will give you the document for the development. Okay. And once development completed, you will give the process to the testers. They'll test it. You will join as a technical consultant, only development. If you joined as an independent contributor, you need to take care of all these roles and responsibilities. Okay. So in my trainings, I'll teach you both how to work independently, how to work as an independent contributor in your team, how to collect the requirement gathering, how to prepare the documentation, how the documentation looks like, how to prepare, who is going to help you, how to test, how to develop each and every phase. Because in interview, if you say, hey, I have 5 years of experience and I have I worked as an independent contributor in my previous organization, then definitely the technical panel will get, you know, you will get some good marks. There might be some more chances to select your profile as a candidate. Okay, clear? Understood everyone? So that's the reason I'll teach you all as an independent contributor so that you guys can join you guys can develop and work as an independent contributors. Right. So this is all about the roles and responsibilities after you join, what you have to do, and why we are calling as a software consultants, RPA consultants, why not software engineers? As you have more responsibilities compared to software engineers, that's why you are getting high salary jobs, guys, high paid jobs here. Okay. Right. So that is all about differences. Let me go through. And guys, if you're interested that hey Raghu, what exactly the manual process, I'll tell you. Okay, for example, I have a website called rpachallenge.com. In this one, what I'm going to do is, so client told me that I am doing the same job from last 10 years, guys. Opening the browser, entering the URL, and downloading the data. Okay, if you click on this download data, I'll get the input data, what I'm going to do. Okay, and what client is telling me that, hey Raghu, every day I'm going you to give you this input data. You just need to please open the input data and process the data on the application. So what is the data? This is the data. Okay, so client is telling me that please copy the first name and come back to the application and find where is first name and enter the first name here. Where is the last name? Copy, come back, find it, paste it. A company name, copy. Phone number. Okay, I have completed for one transaction. Submit. Then again, going to do the same for the second row. So what is this, guys? What kind of job it is? Are we going to develop something new here? No, just doing the same copy paste repetitive task. Today I have only 10 employees, maybe tomorrow 1000, after that 5000, or might be next day 250, anything. Whatever you got, you just need to copy and enter on the application and submit. And by end of the day, how many you completed, you should inform to the client. This is nothing but repetitive task or not, guys. It's a simple repetitive job. Nowadays, we can replace such kind of jobs with the help of automation. Okay, right. Right. So today we discussed about roles and responsibilities, software engineers versus consultants, life cycle, feature scope, sample demo program. Okay. So guys, so many have many questions that, hey Raghu, if you learn this, what will be the future scope? Did this tool really be there lifelong or at least 5 years, 10 years? Yes, it is a future technology, guys. It's an independent artificial AI related application tool wherein you should be very smart. That's why companies are paying you high salaries because of you, the companies are saving the huge money, huge amount, right? Cost cutting. They're getting. So you should be in such a position to not removed by someone. You have to be remove some other person, right? Then when you will remove someone, when you become an RPA consultant, when you are training the bot, your bot, once your robot is live, then you are the responsible to remove some other job. If you are in the support position, definitely jobs, the robots will replace your job in future, right? Understood? So that nothing will be happen to you because you are the only one, reason for people getting the job, losing the jobs, right? So there is like so much of scope is there in the market for these RPA tools. Okay, and please become start certified developers and so guys, life cycle of RPA is like nothing but first of all we have to collect the requirement gathering. We need to check the feasibility, whether can we do this process automation or not. And work estimates, prepare work estimates, how many days required, how many full-time employees, how many licenses required, and what are the different applications involved, or how are the types of, any another external licenses are needed, all this information, and then doing the documentation, development, testing, monitoring, change request. This is about the life cycle of RPA, guys. Okay. And yesterday I have already showed you some sample program, and today also I'm going to show you the same program. Okay. So for example, here I have, so guys, if you want me to connect after the class, please ping me in my WhatsApp for more details. Okay, from tomorrow, actual paid sessions will start. Okay, morning at 7:30 a.m. So I want to display the same message. Okay, first of all, hello world. It is a UiPath Studio application, guys. This is how UiPath Studio looks like. It's a development tool wherein, as I have told you, it's a simple drag and drop tool. We need to drag and drop the activities from here to there. Okay, now after this display message box, I want to type something on the notepad, which is, hey everyone, welcome to RPA all trainings. Today is our today is our second free demo. Please join the tomorrow for the actual session. Please join the session tomorrow for actual session. Okay. And I want to click on compose button as well. So let me open this Gmail, and robot should have to click on the compose button. Okay. Right. So guys, now if you run the bot, what will happen? It will first display the message box. It will type something on the notepad, and then it will go and click on the compose button. 3 activities. Okay. Hello world. And then see on the notepad, it is updating whatever we have entered. It is updating and typing. And then see guys, clicked on compose as well. Now I want to do one more action also. Okay. So what is that? I want to take some screenshot. Okay. See, take screenshot. So it will take the screenshot whatever the screen is available. Okay. And whatever the screenshot available it took, I want to store it on desktop. Okay. For example, screenshot. And if you want to save that image on desktop, we have an activity called save image. Okay. What is the image name? Screenshot. And where you want to store on the desktop. I am allocating, I'm giving the file path that September demo screenshot. Okay. I'm taking screenshot and I'm saving the image. And now even I want to open a new browser also after this. For that, we have an activity called open browser. And what is the URL you want to open? For example, our RPA Vault website only, www.rpavault.com. So that it will open a new browser and it will enter the URL. And what type of browser, whether Google Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer, I want to open it in Chrome. So that it will open a new browser in the Chrome. And once robot entered the new browser, I want to maximize the window. Again, we have an activity like that. For each and everything, there is an activity in your path. Okay. So now let's see how it will do and all. Okay. Okay, yes. Hello world. Okay. First action in message box. Second action is typing something on the notepad. Okay. Third action, click on compose. Fourth action, screenshot completed. Fifth action, it saved image on the desktop. Sixth action, see, it opened a new browser now. See, it opened a new browser, entered the URL and maximized the window. And let's check our screenshot whether it downloaded and saved or not on the desktop. See, September demo SS just now it created. So this is the screenshot also it took and saved. Understood, guys? Are we writing any coding here? No, just it's a simple drag and drop automation tool. It's a simple drag and drop automation tool. Right. So guys, this is how about the application looks like. From tomorrow morning, we're going to uh, start the official certification program, and we'll try to help you in installing each and every UiPath application and Power Automation application in your laptops, and even we'll start like parallelly installing the setup and making the certification as well. Okay. So who wants to join and continue the sessions, guys, from tomorrow, actual sessions? Please raise your hands. Okay, Gautam interested. Sudhir, Go, Samata, Pravalika. Okay, thank you. Thanks for the confirmation. Right. Any questions, guys? Anyone? Any questions? Anyone so far?
Can we start from Monday so that everyone gets times to think and join?
Hmm.
However, Saturday and Sunday will be no class, right? So one day
Hmm.
again continuation will be missed.
Yeah, yeah. No worries. Even if I take some session tomorrow, uh, I will repeat the same on Monday as well, because as if you observe, we are facing some issues today. I'll take another more demo session on Monday, so that on Monday some more new joiners will be joined. So tomorrow only will take care of installing the UiPath and all. From Monday, I will help you all. Maximum 30 to 40 minutes only tomorrow I'll take. From Monday, I'll start with the explanation of the UiPath Studio and all. Okay. Officially, batch will start from tomorrow, but from
Mm.
Monday, I can teach you all like the classes and all. But tomorrow is very important session that I'm going to help you all in installing the softwares. Okay. Because every
Okay.
day is important. I don't want to miss any day. I want to, kickstart again next batch. This is end of the September, no? By October ending, like November first week, I need to start the another batch, no? So to make it, I need to take session each and every day. Otherwise, the next batch will be getting delayed. That's the reason. Okay. Thanks for the suggestion.
On festivals, on festival
Of
days
course,
also it will
festival
be there.
holiday, festivals holiday, only Dasra. Okay. So Monday to Friday, in case if I got any scheduled thing on a weekday, and I will put that session on the weekends, guys, Saturday. Okay. So please plan accordingly to join and take the sessions for the next 45 days, and I will share the payment link now in the group. So now whoever wants to join and continue, please make the payments, and you will receive the new joining link from tomorrow. For the joining link for tomorrow session, you will get another link for the paid group. Once you paid the fee, let me share you how to pay. Okay, I'll guide you so that you guys won't get confused if I teach you that. Kumar, do you have that payment link in handy? Are you there, Kumar? Okay, it's not there. Right. For example, now I'm going to give you this link, guys. Okay. For example, once if you open the link, okay, it will take you to this page. Secure your seat now. You just need to enter all the details. For example, Raghava, Tadikonda, mobile number, email address, city, okay, state, continue for payment. Okay. And here you will get the scanner, guys, automatically 17,000 scanner, and even you will get the UPI ID also. Once if you scan this payment or you pay from UPI ID, once if you make the payment, please upload that screenshot here so that my team will note down all your details. how many of you paid and how many of you not paid, and everything, all information will store in the database automatically. After this, after uploading screenshot, you can go through the, you know, like how do you find us, whether it's it in Instagram, WhatsApp, how do you find us? For example, let me take the, for example, screenshot. Okay. So once you payment upload screenshot, how do you find us? For example, WhatsApp, tell about yourself on a high level, self introduction, and then you need to, you will automatically redirect it after submit. Automatically, you will redirect to join to September official paid group. In that group, you will get the meeting link to join the session from tomorrow. Okay. If you have any questions, please contact me. Feel free to ping me and join here to join in the official group. Is it clear related to the payment, guys? Any questions, anyone?
No, sir.
Right. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your valuable time. I hope you all understand what exactly this RPA, why we have this much training and booming this year path. At least you got some knowledge. I'm hoping. So let's connect from tomorrow morning and let's have the session at morning 7:30 a.m. by using the paid link. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Let's connect it tomorrow morning. Bye.